It can only be one thing. Spring is in the air. Got my flowers growing here in the middle of the driveway. Beautiful flowers.
Yay to me!
We're arguing over how cold it feels out here. It's actually 65 or 64, and she says it feels like it's 58. And I looked it up on the app and it said it feels like 64.
He's always right. Really. No joke.
We're trying to get dressed here. There's a certain process that she has to do. Put the helmet on first and then you put your hood on. You put your pants on first and then you put your boots on.
Hush. A minute. My grandfather was vet. That wasn't he.
Uh-huh.
Don't you put this online because my hair's a mess. And I kid you not.
Old people are funny.
Yes. Yes, we are.
But at least we're still out here doing something, right?
Right.
It's on a rainy day and
Right. Give us little kudos.
it's a rainy day. It didn't look like we were going to be able to make it. And we've seen a break in the clouds and we're going to give it a try. If we ever get out there.
True. There we go.
Your helmet's kind of crooked, but
Really? Can't have a crooked helmet. Is that better?
okay.
Is that good?
Yep. that'll
Oh,
work.
but it pinched my hair.
Well, then your head is crooked.
Yeah, my head's crooked. We'll go with that.
Okay.
You love me, don't you, Pa?
You know I do.
I know I love you too.
After more than 50 years, huh?
Yep.
Not too bad for two old people. Yeah, we didn't wake up one day and say, "Who are you?" No, sir. Oh, yeah, there we go. See if I can catch up. There's what we're starting at. 36. Add 66.90 on there. And I can't wait till it gets to be where I can turn it over so I'll have 7,000. Be so much easier. Well, it's real windy out here today. In between the storm here. Might not even be able to use this audio because it's so windy. Turn and go back the other way. Shouldn't be as bad. Although there's some days it seems like no matter which way you ride, it's just like you're going in the wind. Well, we'll see here. Looks like this road burned up here. Still there. I come through here one time and I met the train right at the trestle. Didn't even see him. Scared me half to death. See some tin up there for the tornado. Mama's back there keeping up with me. I know how cold she is, but sometimes it's cold and sometimes it's not. She's usually always cold. She can wear her insulators when it's 80 degrees out. Got a lot of potholes. Well, yesterday I ran a pothole I could drop a truck in. It's scary. Look how bad these potholes are. Those flowers. riding with the wind now. Going across this here. Going across this here. Wow, wind strong. Really hard wind today. Really tell when you go into it. Kind of going across it right now, though. 8 miles so far. Pretty windy going back this way, but a lot of difference between wind at 64 degrees and at 34 degrees. It's really windy, I can barely ride. But it's not real cold, so hopefully make it up the hill. And I did. Oh, I can't believe I'm riding bike. I just really can't believe it. A couple of years ago I was flat on my back, laying in the living room all day long in intense pain. And I don't even know why I'm saying this, because you're not going to hear it because of the wind anyway. So, big stay on Upa stay. How else do you think I get footage?
Oh, but it's always scary when I'm watching you put it down in the
Yeah. Hard to ride into the wind, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. That's terrible.
Rough.
It was a nice ride. I mean, the wind was terrible, but it was a nice ride.
Yeah. Thought I was almost home, but Mama said, let's go down here. Wanted to get some more miles in, so. Happy wife, happy life. Well, we would have rode to the end of the road there, but farmer was putting ammonia in the field. One of the hazards of riding in farm country. Have to watch out for when they apply the stuff on the field. It's really windy. I'm surprised they're doing it, but I think they're injecting it in the soil, but I can still smell it. Still smell it. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad, wasn't it, Ma?
Yeah, my nose ran and everything.
My
My eyes
eyes, I
started
know.
hurting. It was pretty bad up there. They're doing some, they're doing some farming.
Ammonia.
Yeah, ammonia. Oh, it was strong. So I put this up over my face like this, and I held my breath, and I got so out of breath.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness.
So we didn't go to the end, but oh well.
Oh well, we got 12.3 miles.
That's what happens when you live in farm country.
Yep, but that's all right. We had a good day.
You have a good day, Mama.
Yeah, I loved it.
That was good, huh?
Yep.
Different route than we usually do.
Yeah, no dogs that I saw.
Nope.
Did you see any?
A few cars more than usual, but
Yeah, but they left. They
yeah.
they went around us. So
That's what we got left here. Yeah, we went. How far did you say?
12.3. My bike says.
Mine says 12.2, so you went further because I turned around.
Oh yeah,
before
you
did.
turned around. You weren't gonna go through that.
Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for coming along with us today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.